Have you ever had a dream so real that when you woke up, you didn't know where you were? Imagine closing your eyes and opening them to see something you've never seen before. How'd you feel? Excited? Scared? Curious? Well, that is exactly what happened to our friend from Oz in the Amazon. Girl, she went to sleep at her home in Brooklyn, and when she woke up, poof, she was in the Amazon. She doesn't know where she is, and she's feeling a little lost. Let's listen as she sings her heart's song and tries to figure out. Whoa, what do you think? How is she feeling right now? Yeah, at first she was nervous, but then, did you notice her voice got stronger? What changed? Yeah, even though she's lost, she's deciding to be brave and keep going. And guess what? She won't be alone for long. Who do you think she's going to meet next? It's time to find out in our next episode. Come along, we'll see you in the Amazon.